Alright, dear children, now we do again continue with the topic that I was teaching the last YouTube video, and I was actually measuring the total energy of the particle, and extreme position equals to E equals to half m omega square A square. Now, whether you calculate the total energy at extreme position or mean position anywhere, anybody we learned in the last class, yes, last YouTube video, that it will always remain called constant. Okay, but at extreme position, your total energy equals to potential energy, and at mean position, your total energy will be equals to kinetic energy. Now, under this situation, children, we can express this kinetic energy, potential energy, and even the total energy graphically. Now, in order to express this energy graphically, as you know, kinetic energy, potential energy depend upon the displacement, so that the total energy also depend upon the displacement. Okay, now we can now plot a variation of kinetic energy and potential energy with the displacement, and this can be represented by the figure alongside. So the figure which I am going to complete express the graphical representation of this total energy of the particle, but in terms of what? Displacement. So for that, what I do, I take this x-axis, this line, the horizontal line, or I take as what? Displacement. So I am taking this horizontal line as a displacement, okay, and I take this vertical line as the energy. So I'll take one is kinetic energy, I take potential energy, and after that I'll even take what? Total energy. So you can see the symbol, K means kinetic energy, U means potential energy, means E means total energy. Now I consider this position is O. Now this position O is actually nothing but what position? Mean of equilibrium position. This is what position? Mean of equilibrium position. Okay, this is what? Mean of equilibrium position. That means when the particle is under simple harmonic motion at mean position, then this mean position is marked by letter O. Okay, now basically the particle displaced from which position? Mean position. Okay, now you know what happened, what we have done at mean of equilibrium position, when the displacement is 0, okay, when the displacement is 0, the potential energy is also 0, the kinetic energy is maximum. That means I express, okay, the kinetic energy, okay, by the bold line, and I express potential energy by the what? Dotted line. Okay, so at mean position the kinetic energy is maximum, and this is the maximum kinetic energy, and the potential energy is minimum. Okay, so that means potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is what? Maximum. So that means out here the kinetic energy is maximum, and out here the potential energy is what? 0. But you know what happened when you move from mean position to either extreme position, your potential energy simply increases, your kinetic energy simply decreases. See, potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases on both the sides. So under this case, your graph nature will come almost this way. So nature of the graph will almost come this way. So let me first complete the graph. Now this dotted line is actually for what? Potential energy. That means from mean position, if the particle displaced on either side, whether it goes to one extreme position or the extreme position, potential energy simply increases. Or even in their side, the potential energy increases. But when the potential energy increases, the kinetic energy decreases. So because kinetic is already maximum at mean position, so it will decreases, and it decreases this way. And I express by the what line? The bold line. And even I express this kinetic energy by the what line? Bold line. So this bold line graph is actually for kinetic energy, and dotted line graph is for what? Potential energy. Okay, but what happens? What is happening out here when you move from mean position to extreme position on either side, where the amplitude is maximum? That amplitude is plus A on the positive side and minus A on the negative side. At this position, your kinetic energy is what? 0. But your potential energy is what? Maximum. Your potential energy is what? Maximum. Similarly, at this point, your kinetic energy is what? 0, where the potential energy is what? Maximum. But when you add kinetic energy, potential energy, that measure what? Total energy, and that total energy always remain constant in any of the position. Even at mean position, the total energy is equal to sum of kinetic energy, potential energy. That is always constant. Even at extreme position, total energy is constant. Even at this position, total energy is constant. Which means this horizontal line, if you see, this represents E. This horizontal line you represent E, that represent total energy. which remain constant either in mean position or in extreme position or in between any other position, which means in simple harmonic motion the total energy always remain constant or conserved, and the conservation of total energy has been even represented by this graphic. So this graphical representation of total energy of simple harmonic motion simply say that the total energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can transfer from one form to other form, so that the total energy of the particle even in simple harmonic motion remain constant. So this is the graphical representation of total energy of the particle in simple harmonic motion. So we have completed the theory part of this important theory part of this chapter. Okay, now we will be solving numerical problem in the next YouTube video.